Hey there, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about tire tread. By the end of this video, you'll know how to read your tires like a pro and why those grooves are a lifesaver. Tire tread refers to the appearance and arrangement of lateral grooves, interdependent tread blocks, continuous rib circumferential grooves, and thin striped patterns on tires to refine traction, wear and noise handling. There are different tire treads available in the market to help you handle different driving conditions and improve your safety, such as symmetric tires, asymmetric tires, and directional tires. We highly recommend replacing tires worn to or below for 30 inches of tread depth. Below for 30 seconds, your tires will experience a serious loss in stopping power and hydroplaning resistance. The quarter test can show you how much tread you have remaining on your tires. Place a quarter into your tread groove with George Washington's head facing downward. If you can see the top of Washington's head, then your tires have worn below for 30 seconds of an inch. The most accurate way to measure your tread depth is with a professional tread depth gauge, which you can find at an auto parts store or online. Carefully evaluate your tire to find the most worn area, and brace the gauge handles against the tread blocks above a groove with the gauge aimed into the groove. Push the probe down until it reaches the base of the tread. Then remove the gauge and find the tread depth reading, typically on the side of the barrel. To save more money on car expenses, purchase the engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. And there you have it. Tire tread might seem simple, but it plays a massive role in keeping you safe on the road. Don't forget to check your tread regularly and choose the right tires for your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Four Wheels Empire, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future automotive tips. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.